it's not the whole picture. It's just one tiny thing that can affect your smile. Do you remember how you hesitate when you smile in those pictures with your family and friends, when you hold back in your boardroom meetings from talking too wide because you're scared or maybe a little conscious? Well, hi, I am Dr. Soumya from Smile Station Indiranagar. We are here to talk about how small changes in your smile can bring about a big impact. It can change a complete look. Small things like teeth whitening, visiting the doctor, dental cleaning, getting some fixes, minor contouring, maybe getting some veneers done, getting some fillings done can bring about a significant change in how you look, how you carry yourself, and ultimately how confident you feel about your smile. For us, your smile is precious, so do visit us at Smile Station.